Welcome to our QuickLabel QL-120 series video tutorial on manually cleaning the printhead. First, move the printhead to print position via the Maintenance Utility Cleaning tab and then the Expose Printhead button. Caution: do not keep the printhead at print position for a long time. And note, it takes 5 seconds to move the printhead to print position. Next, open the upper unit, set the printed paper on print paper, then find a white streak on the printed paper, and then find the non-discharge nozzle. Touch the tip of the cleaning stick on the nozzle that has non-discharge, and then keep for 5 seconds to absorb the ink. Caution: do not touch the cut section of the cleaning stick on the face of the printhead. Note: in the case to clean nozzles of various colors, absorb ink with the first color. It's not required to absorb ink with the second color. It is possible to clean printheads of all 4 colors with one cleaning stick. There is no mixing colors on printing results after cleaning of printheads of multiple colors. Next, confirm absorbing ink in the tip of the cleaning stick, and then wipe the printhead from front side to the rear side 2 to 3 times. The wiping direction is the opposite direction of paper feeding. Remove the printed paper that you used for finding the non-discharge nozzle. Close the upper unit, and then print to check the white streak. You may have to run a heavy cleaning one more time, and then run a few print samples to get back to normal printing. And that's it. Now you know how to manually clean the printhead of the QL-120 series printer. If you have any other questions, please contact tech support or visit us online at astronovaproductid.com.